I think that.
Hi Felix. Ready to chat.
How are you?
I am doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Do you know Street Fighter?
Yes, I know Street Fighter. It is a classic fighting game series developed by Capcom.
What's the most popular version of Street Fighter?
The most popular version of Street Fighter is Street Fighter AI. Good bit.
Okay, this was my Amiga chat. It looks like I need to improve, but it's not my fault. It's OpenAI fault. Okay, thank you. This was the simple program. It reads from serial, and I have a Python script that is reading my voice, sending to ChatGPT, and then I get sends to serial, and the serial I get from the Amiga. Okay, thank you. I hope it's good the video. I will try to edit here. See you.